Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco number 861V-26-10. This is a cylinder collar is what it is. This is specifically what they call an adjustable spring collar in a polished chrome finish. So the 861V literally means it's a cylinder collar that the mortise cylinder, or rim cylinder for that matter, but typically a mortise cylinder will fit inside of here. It's adjustable because of this wave washer. If you use your imagination, you can see why they call it that. Okay, the -26, that means polished chrome. That does indeed mean polished chrome. This is made of brass. Well, I could tell you it's not magnetic. I suppose it could be zinc, but it's not steel. That wave washer is certainly steel. The 26 does mean polished chrome. The -10 means that from the factory these are available in boxes or packages of 10. And they don't sell just one, even though we do. Let's go over the dimensional properties of the 861V. Overall thickness, 0.315. 0.315, so basically 5/16. Overall diameter, 1.497. 1.497. Inside diameter, 1.158. 1.158. Inside depth, 0.255. 0.255. Down here from the shoulder to the outer portion of this unit. That wave washer will allow you to thread that cylinder down, going from 7/64 of an inch, which is basically 1/8 of an inch, to 1/4 inch. So you've got certainly some adjustability with that wave washer. And where you're going to use this type of cylinder, you're going to see these in mortise locks. That's where you'll see these installed. Mortise locks with sectional trim. Sectional trim is named thus because the trim on a mortise lock is in pieces or different sections. The lever or knob, and then the thumb turn or the cylinder is up above in sections of that stuff versus a long rectangular plate that would be a escutcheon trim. You certainly want cylinder collars installed in your installations because not only will it allow you to finish off the hole that you've drilled, but it will allow that head of the mortise cylinder to get down and usually fit inside of the inner diameter of the cylinder collar itself. I realize that I didn't give you that dimension. Let's do that now. And the wave washer is going to permit you to be able to make that final turn, so to speak, so that the key is vertical in such a way that the head is in the proper position, but that the collar is still taut on the face of the door so that it doesn't rattle. An ID would be 1.377. 1.377 inside. Okay. The purpose of the collar is also to help deter any sort of manipulation of the head of the cylinder. This is going to pretty much prevent getting a wrench on top of the head of the cylinder where it could then be spun off. And proper installation of this item will see its ability to rotate. Should it be grabbed and pinched and turned, it's supposed to turn. That's what you want. You just don't want it rattling loose on the face of the door. Okay. Now this will be available in different finishes, but before we get to that, there is a link to a document called Technical Drawing, and that will give you a whole lot of dimensional property on many different cylinder collars. It's like their master sheet on cylinder collars from them. Good data to have is why I put it there. Different finishes. You'll be able to do the 861V in your, let's see here now, you'll be able to do it in polished brass, oil rub bronze, polished chrome, and satin chrome. Those would be the finishes you'll be able to do this on. So they'll be missing your satin bronze, your satin brass. Obviously anything that's powder coated wouldn't be there. But of course, brass, oil rubbed, polished, and satin chrome is going to cover the bases pretty much. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Kaba Ilco products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. And this will be under their brass cylinder section of their catalog. But on that page, there are some other handy documents as well, such as their key blank catalog, which is a document that's about that thick, that I don't know, it's the most current document that's there. It just may not have, getting one in a printed version might be a bit of a challenge. But the PDF document is nice because it will allow you to perform a find function on your keyboard and conduct research accordingly. If you have any questions on the Kaba Ilco number 861V-26 cylinder collar or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.